Всем привет, с вами я, Саша Мапск 143, как всегда. Сегодня мы будем играть в игру под названием как забраться на самолёт. И украсть там. Скип. Так, нажимаем.
Check, this is Charles. Thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah.
Ты издеваешься, давай поскорее. Давай-ка тогда... Ой. Alright. Да. И так сильно. Точно, я забыл.
Hey, good job there. Oh, so we should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation. Alright, gentlemen, we've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas? Just kind of thinking. Yeah. Right, so if we go up to 3 caliber... Hey, you there. What do you think you're doing? It's Smith, right? What are you doing here, mate? Your wife's just gone into labour. Take that escape pod behind you. It'll take you right to the hospital. Okay. Don't worry. I'll tell the chief. No, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say. Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap. Huh?
Tails.
Alright, here it comes. Pardon? Okay, press the button. That guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this? This. Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider. Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. Lots of guys and there's lots of guns, that's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? I'm sorry, I just thought you needed some help is all. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine.
Мы продолжаем, просто на паузу поставил. Давайте шалить.
your earpiece. You should press it. What's going? This could be a problem.
Ну все, игра окончена. С вами был Саша Мапс 143. Всем пока. Увидимся в следующем видео.